What kind of OT goals would I give a third grader with autism? Hi, my name's Callie. I'm a school pediatric OT, and this is an interesting question because the thing is, as an OT, I look at every child individually, and that is how I rate the goals. So I can tell you based on like their current level in something. So let's say handwriting, for example. Some children are at the stage of just scribbling. Some children are at the stage of pre-writing strokes, so that's like drawing vertical lines, horizontal lines, a circle. Some kids are able to write some letters, like they'll write their name but not the whole alphabet. Some kids can write the whole alphabet, but it's really messy and really just not on the lines. So, like, based on wherever they are, so let's say your child can write the letters, but they're not on the lines. As an OT, I would rate a goal about writing the letters on the line, having good alignment, having good formation, and that's how I would structure the goals. So, I would just say to ask your therapist what types of where their skill level is at, which they should be sharing with you, and then how they're going to increase that for the next year, if that makes the most sense. If your child has sensory issues, I would ask for there to be some sort of sensory goal in there. Typically for third graders, kids with autism, they have developmental skills that are usually not all of their skills, but sometimes they're behind, and that's okay. That's why you have to focus on where they're at and working toward the next step. But I will say for third graders, I'm usually looking for that handwriting piece. I will start looking for typing. I will still assess all their fine motor skills, lacing beads, stacking blocks, puzzles. I will look at catching and throwing. I will look at skipping, galloping. There's a ton of things that they can address in school, and I hope that helps. And as OTs, we have these individualized goals because we're following the child's IEP, which stands for an individualized education plan. So we're not following a curriculum. We're trying to make them the best that they can be where they're at.